YouTube channel. Hey guys, do you like me being race the monster truck?
So Owen was setting the dial here for the steering to make sure that it's lined up in the middle so he can go left and right. And here's, can you show everybody your steering wheel? Yeah, there's
It's a wheel.
Yeah, it's a wheel. Whoa, you're going through the bamboo forest. Are you stuck? You're stuck in the woods? Can you make it out of the bamboo forest? Look. Oh, here comes the bamboo monster. He's coming after you. You stay out of my forest. Stop. Oh, look at that. He's doing a burnout. Oh, no, he can't escape. Oh, what's he doing? He's trying, but he can't do it.
Hey guys, was that crazy like this?
Show them how they did. Whoa, just like that. Yeah. All right, let's drive them home. You got some bumps over there? Whoa, right over it. This is a big truck. Whoa! I don't think you can run over a tree. Whoa! Right between the bamboo. Oh, you got lucky on the first one, but you hit the bamboo on the second one. Whoa.
That's our home.
That's his home right there by the tree? All right.
I think I raised the drive.
Yeah, we think. We're not sure. Sometimes we hit trees, right?
And tables.
And tables. Ramps.
We want to make a ramp!
Oh no, are we gonna make a ramp?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Ooh, we found some wood. All right, let's put it together. All right, we're gonna start a wood pile and we're gonna make a ramp. All right, let's try this like this first. All right, so we got a little ramp set up. Whoa!
Hey guys, you want to make the ramp bigger?
Let's do it.
Yeah. Hey guys, do you want me to run over the monster jets? Hey guys, do you want to, when I'm done cleaning, can I ride my monster truck on it?
You're gonna drive the monster truck. All right, we're ready. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect jump. That was great.
Hey, that's what you do. He went on 2 wheels. He went like this.
Whoa, you went like that against the tree?
Ready for the 2 wheels?
All right, let's see if you can do 2 wheels again. Whoa, you flipped him over. Holy cow.
I got the wheels.
Trash. Hey, you crashed into yourself. Who in the heck's driving that thing?
I could go far.
You can go far. All right, let's show them how far you can go.
Oh my God, do you see that? We have to make it huge bigger.
You want to make it even bigger?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. And here they come. go! And he hits the ramp perfectly. Holy cow, that was great. All right, let's take him over. Oh man, crashed into the tree. Well, all right, you ready? Are you going over the big jump? Whoa, that was awesome. Whoa, right by Daddy. Into the tree. But we're out and we're ready to go. All right, what are we doing now? Are you going to show us something?
Close your eyes, YouTube.
Close your eyes?
Yeah.
All right, everybody close your eyes. All right, now what? Whoa!
Hey, YouTube. YouTube, watch this. See that?
Uh-huh.
And watch. Very close.
All right.
Very close.
All right, let's watch it. Oh!
It almost went on.
It almost did.
Hey, Dad, pretend I'm the car.
Pretend you're the car?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
All right.
Wait, well, turn it off.
Whoa! Back again. Making another lap. Boom! That was great.
The car's dead.
The car's dead. Oh.
Hey guys, if you like my video, subscribe down there. Hope you like it. Hope you hit the like button.